Hey, Steve. So I fell out with a friend, and I stopped him.
Okay, for real? Is this your real voice?
It is. It is. It is.
You want me to go deeper?
I would prefer that, because right now you sound like you ate a small baby.
Okay, Steve, since you're going to do me like that.
No, go ahead. Go ahead. Use your regular voice. Go ahead.
Okay. So I have this friend, right? And we fell out because I felt like she was, trying to take all my friends. Every time I have a get-together, she tried to steal my friends. So, since we stopped speaking, right, I found out that she's been having all these parties and gatherings at her house, and all of my friends are now hanging out with her. So I'm thinking of crashing her party to get those friends back. Steve, what should I do?
Your friends can only be your friends? They can't have other friends?
No, they can have other friends, but I need her to make her own friends and stop stealing all of mine.
Okay, let me tell you.
Okay. What day is your friend's party on coming up?
It's coming up on March 13th or something like that. Whatever that second, third weekend in March.
Throw your party on the 12th. Serve more alcohol than her. They'll be so drunk, have a hangover, they can't make it to her party the next night.
I like that.